Did you know that you could transfer your Capital One points to Virgin Atlantic to book flights? All you have to do is, let's see. Wait a minute. I only see Virgin Red. Is Virgin Red the same as Virgin Atlantic? Huh? Virgin Red is the rewards program for the Virgin Group, created in February 2021. Virgin Flying Club is the frequent flyer program for Virgin Atlantic, and they both earn and use Virgin points. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your Capital One points to Virgin Atlantic step by step in less than 2 minutes. If you've never created a Virgin Atlantic or Virgin Red account, here are your steps. Step 1, go to Virgin Atlantic and click on the top right and click Flying Club. Step 2, in the drop down, click Join Flying Club and enter your email information and click Next. Step 3, they're going to send you a verification code to your email and make sure you enter it and click Verify. Step 4, enter your personal information and click Submit to create both a Virgin Atlantic and Virgin Red account at the same time. If you're like me, who created my frequent flyer account before Virgin Atlantic before February of 2021, then you'll need to create a Virgin Red account and link it. Step 1, go to virgin.com and click on the top right where you see Virgin Red. Step 2, at the top right, click Join or Log In. Step 3, enter your email information and click Next. Make sure this is the same email that you have for Virgin Atlantic Frequent Flyer Club. Step 4, they're going to send you an email to verify that you're a real person. Enter the verification code and click Verify. Step 5, enter your personal information and complete the application. Step 6, after you complete the application, go back to virgin.com main page, click on the top right on the profile icon. Step 7, click on My Account on the top right, go to your nav bar on the left, now select Link My Account. Step 8, you will see Virgin Atlantic listed in the middle of the page and click Link My Account. Step 9, after you've completed linking my account, one way to verify, go to your virginatlantic.com, sign into your Frequent Flying Club account, and then go to my profile page and see that your Virgin Red account is now linked. Once you've created both a Virgin Atlantic and Virgin Red account, now it's time to go to Capital One. Step 10, go to Capital One website and log in with your credentials. Step 11, after logging in, you'll see all your accounts. From your credit card that you'll be transferring your points from, click View My Rewards. Step 12, click on Convert My Rewards. They might ask you to verify your identity and make sure to enter in the code. Step 13, scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page and find Virgin Red as a transfer partner. Step 13, enter your Virgin Red ID. This is a string with hash IDs like this one on shown. This is not a number. Submit your transfer and wait for emails to confirm your application. And if you're interested in learning how to find Virgin rewards 2 times faster, check out this next video.